how to verify YouTube channel in Ghana. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can verify your YouTube channel on your phone and then PC. So from your mobile phone, simply locate the Chrome browser and then select it. Okay, so when you select it, it's going to take you right to Google just like this one, and then simply come to the search bar, and then I want you to search for this, which is YouTube Studio. Okay, YouTube Studio just like this one, and then search it. Okay, so when you type into the Google search, it is going to come just like this one, and I want you to simply go to the official site of the YouTube Studio. Okay, under it you are going to see we have the login. Simply click on the login, and it's going to take you to youtubestudio.com or studio.youtube.com. Okay, so from the studio, all that you have to do is simply locate the down button, your left hand side, the bottom corner. Okay, you are going to see this setting icon right here just like this one. I want you to simply click on it. Okay, it is very important. If you don't locate the icon, you are not going to be able to do this. Okay, so when you click on it, you will see that the channel setting is going to be pop up just like this one. Okay, this is how to do it on mobile phone, but for those who are going to use their laptop or PC, it is very simple. All that you have to do is just go to YouTube. Okay, then locate the profile icon, then click on it. So when you click on it, simply come here to where we have the YouTube Studio, and then come and then click on the YouTube Studio. It is simply going to take you to the YouTube Studio directly, and then simply come here to where we have the settings, and then come and then click on the settings. So when you click on the settings, it is going to bring you to the studio settings just like this one. I want you to come here to the channel. Okay, just like that on the phone, just follow it. Simply come to the channel side, and then the important aspect is the basic information. Okay, so under it we have country of residence. Come and click on the down arrow, and then come and select the country, which is Ghana. Okay, since we are verifying it in Ghana, simply scroll down, and then when you see Ghana just like this one, come and then select it. So when you select Ghana, the next thing that you have to do is to simply, as you can see, Ghana is being selected. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is to simply come here to where we have the future eligibility, and then come and then click on it. It is the exact same thing on the mobile phone as well. Okay, so we are going to do the three aspects. So the first one is the standard features. Okay, come here to where we have the enabled, and then come and click on the down arrow. So to be able to enable this, you simply have to comply with YouTube community guidelines. Make sure that you don't get a strike. That's the only way that you can be able to enable this. Okay, so the second feature is the intermediate feature, which allows you to use your own custom thumbnail. So simply come to the eligible, and then come and click on the down arrow, and then over here all that you have to simply do is to simply verify with your phone number. Okay, so where it says verify with phone number, come and then click on it and then verify with your phone number, and then you'll be able to unlock this feature. That is all. Okay, and then the last feature is the advanced feature, which allows you to upload videos daily. Okay, so to be able to be enabled, simply come and then click on the down arrow, and then over here we have it in three ways. Okay, we have three ways that you can go by this one. So the first one is through video verification, the second one is through valid ID card, which is your Ghana card, and then we have the channel history as well. You can use any of these. So if you want to use your Ghana card, simply select it and then use it. After that, simply come and then click on the save, and then you have been able to verify your YouTube channel successfully. Like the video, and then see you in my next video.